Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 2014 Jeep Wrangler 3.6 motor, and it's leaking oil on the top here.
On the oil filter housing.
And it comes from the oil filter housing. Here it is.
Yes.
Show the seals where it's leaking.
Back here.
These little seals here, these little gaskets leak. And the oil leaks out.
And it goes to the transmission, and when you're driving the car, it leaks all the oil on the transmission.
It'll leak back on the transmission. So what's the repair on it? Can you change the gaskets, or do you have to change the
You
assembly?
gotta change the whole assembly. They come with a new O-ring.
New O-rings right there.
A new housing.
And what's this go for about?
The labor,
Well, for the part.
the price is about $300 and some dollars. $350.
$350. All right, and a couple hours later.
Yeah.
And that's, if you see oil leaking up here, that's what it is. Joe Beermaster, I hope it helped. And please subscribe.